1,500 firms under lens for being shell entities. The center is trying to weed out more shell companies after cracking down on more than 2 lakh such entities in the first phase. In the second phase, it has found 1,505 companies with attributes of Dabba or shell companies. Sources in the Ministry of Corporate Affairs, MCA, told that various registrars of companies, ROCs, have been asked to investigate these entities under Section 206 of the Companies Act 2013. Under this section, the ROCs will investigate the books of the companies identified by the ministry. Action against these companies would be taken once all the ROCs submit their reports to the ministry. The system is being put in place as the MCA is trying to introduce an early warning system to track and trace shell companies. Another 809 listed companies are also being probed by the MCA. These companies are listed, but the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI, could not locate them. Earlier, the markets regulator had restricted trading of shares of 331 companies as part of a crackdown on them in the first phase. The ministry is simultaneously taking steps to follow up on the first batch of 2,24,000 shell companies by ensuring that immovable properties they own are not sold. An investigation conducted by the ministry has revealed more than 1,30,000 of the 2,24,000 companies stuck. An investigation conducted by the ministry has revealed more than 1,30,000 of the 2,24,000 companies struck from the records did not have permanent account numbers, PANs, though these entities transacted in crores of rupees. Only 94,000 companies had PANs. In the first list of Dabba companies, more than 500 listed entities and their directors have been affected. The Serious Fraud Investigation Office had been put on the job to investigate these directors. About 3 lakh directors associated with the struck of companies have already been disqualified. The number could cross 4,50,000 as the crackdown intensifies. Around 100 disqualified directors have appealed against the government's decision in various high courts. Also, 70 odd companies have appealed against being deregistered. The government is asking all directors to link their director identification number DIN with PAN and all companies to link their corporate identification number with their PAN. The government is asking all directors to link their director identification number DIN with PAN and all companies to link their corporate identification number with their PAN. Based on the details sent by 13 banks to the MCA, about Rupees 4,500 crore was deposited and withdrawn during demonetization by 5,840 struck of companies using 13,150 accounts. These transactions had occurred after demonetization, November 8, 2016. Various companies had more than 100 accounts. Some even had 200 or 300 accounts. One company had 2,134 bank accounts. Several companies had zero balance in their accounts as of November 8, 2016, but deposited lakhs and crores of rupees during demonetization. The names of these companies were struck from the records. Even after deregistering, some of these companies had made transactions. Bank accounts of such companies were frozen. Catching shell farms. 2 lakh entities found in first phase. 2 lakh entities found in first phase. 1,505 firms under suspicion now. 1,505 firms under suspicion now. 809 listed companies face MCA probe. 809 listed companies face MCA probe. 3 lakh directors disqualified in earlier drive. 3 lakh directors disqualified in earlier drive. Rupees 4,500 crore deposited during note ban by 5,840 struck-off companies. Rupees 4,500 crore deposited during note ban by 5,840 struck-off companies. 13,150 accounts used for these transactions. 13,150 accounts used for these transactions. Audio recording as on Monday 27th November 2017 from Business Standard.